In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear one. Tap on voice typing and use the switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on microphone icon. Now select while using the app in the pop-up. Go back, click on your microphone again, and this time start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!